Today is the third and last day of our Virginia trip, and we are visiting Colonial Williamsburg. Colonial Williamsburg is the world's largest living history museum. It is open 365 days a year from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There are also evening programs which run well into the night. You can walk through the historic streets for free, just like we'll be doing today, or you can buy tickets to get access to historic parade sites, interpreter-led tours of family homes and government buildings, English gardens, and the art museums of Colonial Williamsburg. Boarding the shuttle bus, which is free for the public. Bus routes begin at the Visitor Center and run throughout the historic area. Stops include the Governor's Palace, the Capitol, the taverns, Market House, Williamsburg Lodge, the art museums of Colonial Williamsburg, and Merchant Square. Colonial Williamsburg is a living history museum presenting a part of the historic district in the city of Williamsburg, Virginia. Its 301-acre historic area includes several hundred restored or recreated buildings from 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries and more recent reconstructions. The historic area includes three main roads and their connecting side streets that depicts the atmosphere and lifestyle of Virginia's colonial capital city. The employees can be seen wearing 18th century attire and roaming around the streets communicating with public. Bruton Parish Church is located in the restored area of Colonial Williamsburg, Virginia. It was established in 1674 by the consolidation of two previous parishes in the Virginia colony and remains an active Episcopal parish. The building, constructed 1711 to 1715, was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1970 as a well-preserved early example of colonial religious architecture. Merchant Square is located adjacent to Colonial Williamsburg historic area in the heart of downtown Williamsburg. It is an 18th century style retail village with over 40 shops and restaurants. People come here to experience unique shopping, dining, and special events in a beautiful setting. The College of William and Mary is a public research university in Williamsburg, Virginia. Founded in 1693 under a royal charter issued by King William III and Queen Mary II, it is the second oldest institution of higher education in the United States and the ninth oldest in the English-speaking world. The college educated American presidents Thomas Jefferson, James Monroe, and John Tyler, and few other key figures pivotal to the development of the United States. The college is spread over 1,200 acres and has a beautiful campus. The Sir Christopher Wren Building is the oldest college building in the US and a National Historic Landmark. There is still a big part of the historic area which we couldn't visit, but we are glad that we could explore this much. This is the end of our Williamsburg trip. We had a great time here. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in another one. Bye and take care.